Hi traders, and welcome back. Lockie here. We are going to be dealing with video number 3, ladies and gents. So in this video we are going to be talking about how to trade gold. Guys, we're going to be talking about how to take advantage of the pivots on gold. Most importantly, in video number 1 we spoke about how to deal with the orange candle. Guys, video number 2 we spoke about how to deal with the green candle. Both of those are extreme volume candles, and what we're now going to do, ladies and gents, is talk about this static bar reversal. Now, for those of you that have not seen video number 2, guys, the gold market is absolutely famous for being sensitive to Fibonacci extension levels, right? So let me draw that Fibonacci extension back on for you, just to give you an idea of how powerful these levels are. Guys, the gold market last night turned around, failed at the 133 Fib extension, turned around and went back the other way. Now, when gold fails to sell down at a very, very well-known psychological level, like a Fibonacci extension, or in this case, guys and girls, the pivots, we want to target those pivots. Now, this little candle here, guys, it's actually what we call a poor ratio reversal signal. So what does it ultimately mean? The market is going to reverse. If you decided to wait for the market to sell down yesterday, guys, as gold almost always does, fail at a pivot and turn around and go back the other way. Once again, guys, as per our 4 rules, gold has gone very, very happily through a $200 target. Now, I know, as we said before, $200 is not that sexy, but that's only as a 1 contract trader. If you're a 2 contract trader, that box is worth around $400. Guys, 3 contract trader is worth $600, and it actually gets quite exciting quite quickly. Now, guys, this little, dare I say it, this little chicken down here, that's the nickname for my 3-year-old. Her name is Ivy. She's incredible. Guys, now this one here is what we refer to as a -2 rated SBR. So what is an SBR? It's a static bar reversal. Guys, I started working on the algorithm for SBRs in 2007. Fast forward to today, they're still working really, really well. So what we have here, guys, below this is a -2. It basically says the sellers have completely lost control of the market. Please buy the market. Now, once again, ladies and gents, if you want to target a plus 95% strike rate, you're going to be entering outside the range of your confirmation candle. Now, interesting point. Guys, whenever we are futures trading or doing any form of trading, guys, if your signal set is correct, guys, if your signal set is robust, the market is going to respond in a positive nature to your signal set, otherwise known as the response candle. Now, what does this ultimately mean? Guys, we've got this beautiful -2 rated reversal signal literally last night, just after US Open on gold, which is exactly when you want to trade it. Sellers have completely lost control of the market, and the response candle, guys, this candle here is 5 times the size of this candle before when you look at the colored part of the candle. What does that ultimately mean? Guys, it means the market's response to your signal set is absolutely incredible, but it gets a little bit better than that. Can everybody see we've gone through this -2 rated candle here to a 2+ rated candle, which means the buyers have taken complete control of the market. So not only have you got that first $200 trade right there, guys, but you've got the opportunity to take another trade, once again, outside the range of this candle, punch it up for $200, and hey presto, guys, you've been paid again, which is good fun. Now, please note, ladies and gents, that the deltas, a lot of people love the delta trade. So once again, if we go over here on the right-hand side, what we're going to do, guys, we're going to map exactly the same rules we were using before. Now, that really, really strong little candle there, guys, are we allowed to take that as per our strategy? No, we're not, because your profit target is on the other side of the pivot. So you could either go for a shorter range target. I would prefer you don't do that. What I would wait for you to do is wait for the market to actually close over the actual pivot, so it's got less concern about where it's traveling. Your $200 box as a junior trader goes over the top of that. And if you start picking up these little green diamonds here, guys, they're the actual Delta V2 designed to show you where the institutions are entering into the market. If you pick up a Delta V2, you can actually double or triple your exposure in the market, or double or triple your contract numbers, because your chance of the market going over that $200 profit target is very, very high. Now, remember, ladies and gents, with all of these trades, we want to make sure that we're going, when you first start, you're going through a $200 profit target, because the market is very, very easy in the US Open to get that. As you want to be controlling your risk once you're 80% of the way to the profit target. You want to take advantage of the extreme volume in the market. Now, obviously, our seller extreme volume is orange. Our buyer extreme volume is green. Guys, that algorithm has actually been around since 2009 and continues to punch out winning trades. Interesting point, guys, over here on the right hand side of the screen, we've just analyzed this one here. It's punched through the $200 target, which is great. This tells us the buyers are running out of steam. So what we're actually looking for is we're looking for a reversal candle going back the other way. And look, hey presto, that one rated candle there is a what we call a low ratio reversal bar. Once again, here's your $200 box, guys, placed underneath the candle. What has it done? It's gone down to around about $180 towards that $200 target. And guess what? As once again, it has triggered your 80% risk control. So what does that ultimately mean? As if you're going for $200, once you hit $160 worth of profit, you might as well bring your stop loss into plus 40, plus 50. You cannot lose any money on the trade. Guys, if they decide to push down, turn around and go back the other way, well, so be it, guys. You've been taken out of your trade at partial profit or a good little chunk of money. Please note, ladies and gents, that whenever we get anywhere near the trend indicator, we've got to start to be concerned about the fact that the buyers may just keep buying and buying and buying and buying and buying, which does bring up a really good point. That's my last little point for this video. If you're going to be trading off a pivot like this classic -2 rated static bar reversal down here, or you're going to be trading short off this pivot, which we did in the other video, please try and trade it all the way down to the next pivot. With the gold, you're going to turn it around and you're going to trade it all the way back to the next pivot. Now, what does it mean? As in this case here, instead of a $200 box, you're looking at a $300, $400, $500, $600 box on the way up, guys, with a little bit of experience. As in on the way down, let's have a look at our first sell signal we spoke about. In this case here, guys, you're looking for around about a $500 trade on the way down and a $600 trade on the way back up. So that being said, guys and girls, my 4 rules for trading gold on the US Open, guys, are on the screen in front of you here. If you like these videos, guys, you would like me to do more on trading either gold, oil, currencies, or stock indexes, guys, please drop me a comment, a like, whatever you would like to do. But if you're appreciating these videos, please do jump on YouTube, tell me about it, guys. And if you've got any questions about what we're doing, please don't be shy. And if you would like to, guys, jump into the live trading room, watch us actually trading the markets and the European Open and US close, guys, and you'll see we use exactly this gold strategy on the oil markets and also all the stock index markets. And for those that want to be a gold trader, guys, just wait for that US Open and take advantage of gold. It's an incredible market to trade, guys, and I'll see you either on the website or I'll see you in the live trading room. Bye for now.